Alright, so we've had some problems on this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and go through it. Alright, unfortunately I have a very odd pant size. Oh, by the way, this may be semi-autobiographical. I am a 29 by 32, which I can only find at the Banana Republic factory stores. All internet merchandise that is returned to a store gets funneled into a factory store after a time, so they end up in a larger number of odds. They end up with a large number of odd sizes. Lucky for me. Last week I bought a pair of pants that was originally $74.99, which upon arrival at the factory store was discounted 45%. After not selling for 2 months, the pants were then marked down an additional 30% from the first discount. If Silverthorne has a sales tax rate of 7.8%, how much did I pay for my pants? Alright, so here's the thing. You cannot add the discounts together. That will not work. What you have to do is you have to find the price after the first discount, then take that price, apply the second discount, and then apply the tax. That is your strategy here. So, it's easier to work on the calculator, so I will. We have $74.99, and my discounted price is 45% off, right? But if I take 45% off, that means 55% of the original price remains. So I'm going to multiply this by 0.55 because 55% remains. And so I have, and I'll write it down, 74.99 times times 0.55, and that will equal 41.2445. Now I'm going to keep the decimal places until the end, and then I'm going to round at the end. So now I take that discounted price and I multiply it by 70%, because if I take 30% away, that means 70% remains. So times 0.7. And so I get a sales price of $28.87. But wait, I still have to pay tax on that. So I'm going to take this price, I'm going to multiply it by 1.078. This 1 represents the actual cost of the pants. This 0.078 represents the tax. So times 1.078. And so I get a final cost to me of $31.12. Not a bad deal. Alright. I guess a good question on this one would be, how much of a discount overall do I get? Maybe I'll add that later. Okay. So then the next question, while buying the pants, I find a shirt that I like the pants. The shirt is discounted. What is the original price if the discounted price is 35% off? And I paid $2.89 in tax. Alright, so here is the plan. And the way I like to do this is with equations. Shocking, I know. So we know that $2.89 is going to be equal to a number, let's call it n, times my tax, right? And we know the tax is going to be 0.078. Well, what's the opposite of multiplying n by 0.078? Dividing it by 0.078. And I get $37.05. Well, remember, we had a 35% discount. So that means 37.05 is going to be equal to my original price times 0.65, and 0.65 represents the 65% of the shirt that I have to pay for, because 35% was taken off. Using the same logic, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.65. And I get, I'll redo that, I get $57. But I added an extra 0. Now it's clearly the shirt was not $570. That would be ridiculous. Actually, $57 for a shirt is kind of ridiculous, but so it goes. Alright, so we have 57.00, because it asks you to round to the nearest cent, so keep it in cents. Over here we had something 12 cents. Oh well. And then for the last problem, how much I end up paying for the shirt? Well, we had this 37.05, right? And I had my tax, right? And my tax was 2.89 plus my 37.05. And there we go. So those should be the answers for my problems.